1766 Dutch East India Company copper duit full detailed. The coin shown in the image is a 1766 copper duit issued by the Dutch East India Company, known historically as the VOC. This coin is an important relic of colonial trade history and represents one of the earliest examples of corporate-issued currency used on a massive international scale. The VOC was the first multinational corporation in the world, and its coins played a crucial role in commerce across Asia, especially in the Netherlands East Indies, which is modern-day Indonesia. Issuing authority, Dutch East India Company. Founded in 1602, the VOC was granted extraordinary powers by the Dutch government. These powers included the right to wage war, sign treaties, establish colonies, and most importantly, mint coins. The 1766 duit belongs to the later period of VOC operations, when copper coinage was heavily used for everyday trade in Asian colonies. Coin specifications. Denomination: 1 duit. Year of issue: 1766. Material: copper. Shape: round. Edge: plain or slightly irregular. Minting technique: hammered or early machine struck. Weight: approximately 3.5 to 4.5 grams. Diameter: around 20 to 22 millimeters. Currency system: Dutch colonial system. The duit was a low-value coin intended for daily transactions, such as food wages and market trade. Obverse description. The obverse features the famous VOC monogram, which consists of the intertwined letters. This monogram is enclosed within a circular beaded border, giving the design a formal and authoritative appearance. Above the monogram sits a royal-style crown symbolizing the official backing of the Dutch Republic. Obverse legend. Around the outer edge, the inscription reads D. Gelderland times 1766. Gelderland refers to one of the Dutch provinces. The date 1766 appears clearly at the bottom. Obverse significance. The presence of a provincial name indicates where the coin was authorized or linked administratively, even though it was intended primarily for overseas use. The VOC monogram served as a powerful brand symbol, instantly recognized across ports and markets in Asia. Reverse. The reverse shows a rampant Dutch lion, one of the most iconic symbols in Dutch heraldry. Key reverse elements: a lion standing upright. The lion holds a raised sword symbolizing power, justice, and military strength. The lion stands on decorative scrollwork. A crown above reinforcing sovereignty. Letters B and I. Meaning of letters. The letters BI are believed to indicate a specific mint mark batch or issue series, commonly found on VOC duits. These marks helped administrators track production and distribution. Reverse symbolism. The lion represents the Dutch Republic, reflecting national pride and authority. The sword emphasizes the vox ability to enforce trade monopolies through military power. By 1766, the VOC had become a dominant force in Asian trade, controlling spices, textiles, tea, coffee, and precious metals. However, the company was also facing financial strain, corruption, and administrative inefficiencies.